This is what it's looking like. Ha ha. This is what it's looking like. 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 Ha ha. This is what it's looking like. What's up, divas? So I wanted to come back and show you guys this Hershow wig that I had. If you didn't see my unboxing and installing of this wig, I'm gonna leave it up top for you ladies to go and check it out. It's been a while since I have this wig. I'm just gonna give you guys my final review and thoughts on this wig. So I wanted to try something different. Y'all gonna hear the kids in the back. Y'all already know what time it is. We all, you know, stuck in the house. I wanted to change up my routine on how I define my curls. So I'm going to be using the Black Castor and Flaxseed Eco Styler Gel as the ORS Curls Unleash, the Coconut Restore Curl Mousse, argan oil, as well as a spray bottle with some plain water in it, as well as my detangling brush and my powder and brush for my middle part. So let's jump into it. So I do have my hair in sections, 2 sections, just to make it easier. So this is what it's looking like. Ha ha. This is what it's looking like. 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 Ha ha. This is what it's looking like. Yeah, I'm so hyped. Okay, ladies, so this is the finished outcome. I did go off and do some baby hairs off camera because, you know, me and baby hairs have a love-hate relationship. Now, I have had this wig for about 4 months now, so I feel like I can give you guys my final thoughts and my final update on this wig. Now, things first, as y'all know, with curly hair or deep wave here, any type of curly texture here, you guys are going to get some shedding. Me detangling this wig, as y'all seen, this was all of the shedding that I did get. Now, for you ladies, if y'all think this is too much shedding, I don't know what to tell y'all, because curly hair, water wave, any type of curly texture here, it's going to shed. That is not a big issue for me. It's no problem because like I said, I know curly hair is going to shed. Another thing that I did notice is the ends of the wig do get a little dry over time. That's why I was using a very hefty amount of the argan oil. But other than that, the hair is really soft. It is drying. It is like maybe about 95%. The wig is about 98% dry. You know, up top is still wet a little bit up here, but this is how the wig turned out. I really don't have any complaints. When I wear this wig, it don't shed on me, it do not tangle on me. Like I said, the only thing about this wig is the ends do get a little bit dry, but that's really not a big issue for me. Now, I do like this method of using the curl refresher, the mousse, and the eco styler gel. I do like how it look. The hair doesn't appear, you know, dry or anything like that. But overall, I do like this hair. I will leave all the information down below on where you guys can purchase from Hershow Hair Company. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, as well as hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell next to that subscribe button and turn on all of your post notifications. So every time I upload a video, you guys can be notified. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends and your loved ones. Like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed. And I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.